Aparna garu, Appal garu.
Namaste. I'm Dr. Aishwarya Patapati and I'm extremely honored on being Miss Globe India 2023.
Miss Globe India 2023, and this saree I have painted on Ghumar dance on Rajasthani culture, and she is going for an international this competition of Miss Globe. So you all bless her so that our country wins. She is going now to Albania. So bless her. She is a surgeon, second year.
Very exciting, and now let's go to the next lady, Miss India. Congratulations, Miss India, for making it to the top 15. Another beautiful lady, part of top 15 goes from...
This is not for judging. This is not for judging, as they are the official presenters. Aparna, founder of Aparna Fine Arts.
ఐశ్వర్య గారి స్పందన.
ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ ఆనర్డ్ అండ్ బ్లెస్డ్ బికాజ్ యువకళ వాహిని వాళ్ళు నా అచీవ్మెంట్స్ని అన్నీ ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి రికగ్నైజ్ చేశారు. దానికి ఐఎమ్ వెరీ గ్రేట్ఫుల్. I'm extremely honored because of that, and all this is because of my parents, my hospital, MNR Hospital, and also my organization who has given me Miss Globe India title, which I recently won. And I want all of your blessings because I'll be going to Albania today night. I'll be going to represent India. I hope I get all of your blessings for that. I hope India wins this time the main title of Miss Globe. Also, achievements are important kaadu mana life lo. It's not about what you have achieved, it's about what you're using, all your unique set of talents to make a difference in the society. And that is what I want to tell everyone here, because we need to make a difference. Ultimately, we need to give back to the society what we got, and that is what I want to advocate everyone here. Thank you. So I wanted to tell, I really love this crown. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Kondal Rao Garu and Yuvakala Vahini, the entire organization, and Ramchandra Rao Garu Koda. Thank you. Yeah.
Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorial, style, fashion. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.